click roaming video, and you can see the interfaces here. Click edit camera path so that you can start to edit the camera and your lens. Here in Cool Home, we have 3 different lenses for you to edit the roaming track. When you click one of the lens, and you can draw it on your screen to design the first track, for example. So when you have finished one track of lens, here it will be showed on the left bar, and on the right you can set the camera settings. For example, I can rotate the view. Okay, and you can also set the vision horizontal angle, as well as pitch angles here. And also you can draw a curved lens. And you can decide the form of the lens by 3 points. Here you can see. You can also rotate, reverse the direction of the movement. For example, you click here, then you reverse the starting point and the end point. Here in the settings, you could also set a focus for your lens so that your eyesight will be focused on one project or one direction. We can see the preview of the clip here. It's like if we choose the focus, we can set the point here, and it will rotate on the track with the focusing on one direction, one object. As we all know, there is a limitation of the duration of your video. It shouldn't exceed 30 seconds. So we can adjust the speed here of each clip. For example, for the straight side, we can set it to 1.5. For the curved, also the same. So now we have 24 seconds in total. We can also set the starting point. We set the starting point so that the duration will also change. And then we can add on a vertical lens here in this point, and adjust the side, the view of your side. And I want to make the vision larger. Maybe this point will be better. And here you can set the height of the starting point and the end point. So the side will raise from the ground to the human side. We can see the preview here. Let's make it quicker. Yep, I think it's done. So this is the simply illustrate here, and you can actually adjust the different parameters on this bar, and also here you can choose clip if you're making a video on a tiny room, so that you need to clip your eyesight and get the full view of this room. Okay, we can click here, preview all, to see all the preview of all the video rendering effect. Okay, close it. And when you think it's done, then you could click complete here. Also, one thing that I missed to mention is that you can also choose the ratio of your completion here. Now I'm using 16:9. And here, how to guide, you can see some shortcuts in the video rendering. And also here, let me click complete. So when you complete it, you got a preview video that is not rendered yet. First, you can save the preview video to your gallery, so that it'll be easily watched there. Okay, after 5 seconds, your video is, after saving it, you can see the preview of the video in your gallery. So it's here right now. And then click the render the video and confirm all the parameters here on the screen. Then click next. And then you can use your coupon to render. Usually in hours, your roaming video rendering will be done, but also in some rush hour, you may need to wait a little bit longer. Then we can enjoy an outcome of the roaming video renderings. Thank you.